How to fix cannot access Microsoft Teams Admin Center. 1. Clear browser cookies and cache. 2. Connect to Skype Business Online using PowerShell. Commands include: import module Microsoft Teams $user credential equals get credential connect Microsoft Teams credential $user credential 3. Enable SIP domain in the tenant. Command: enable xinline SIP domain your domain. 4. Assign a user license for Teams in Microsoft 365 Admin Center at https://admin.microsoft.com. Path: users. Active users. Locate the desired user. Click on licenses and apps. Now, tick Microsoft Teams checkbox and save the change you made. See more info at https://learn.microsoft.com/ n-microsoft-365/admin/add-users/add-users ? View =O365 worldwide. Add users and assign licenses at the same time.